In today's class, we are going to start new chapter. Already we had completed 3 chapter: derivatives, application of derivatives, and probability distribution. Now we will start chapter 4, binomial distribution. But before I am going to start binomial distribution, I am giving some example based on this distribution. Okay. In our day-to-day life, we come across many experiments which are dichotomous in nature, that they produce only two possible outcome. Okay, dichotomous in nature means that is either failure or success. Two possible outcomes means it may be it defectives or non-defectives. Okay, this is called as dichotomous in nature. Okay, the binomial distribution is based on dichotomous in nature, successes or failure. Okay, for example, tossed coin is tossed. It show head or tail. Okay, two outcomes, head or tail. Manufactured item can be defective and non-defective. In such a type of experiment, one outcome is referred to as success. Okay, and other outcome is referred to as failure. Okay, two outcomes, success outcomes, success or failures. Okay, what is the definition of binomial distribution? The trial of a random experiment. Trial, it is first, it is also called as Bernoulli experiment, Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trial. The trial definition, the trial of a random experiment is called Bernoulli trial. If it has two possible outcomes, that is successes or failure. Okay, here is Bernoulli trial experiment. Okay, now we will start binomial distribution. Binomial distribution, it is also similar. Binomial distribution. Okay, let there be, इधर एक्सपेरिमेंट होगा, let there be an independent trials in an experiment. Okay, the experiment can be carried out n times. That is, experiment is carried out n times under identical condition. Okay, identical conditions, so that we can regard them as independent experiment. Okay, it is an independent experiment. Let a random variable x denote the number of successes in these n trials. Then x can take the values, x की वैल्यू क्या रहेगी, x going from 0, 1, 2 up to last experiment will be n. Okay, let p be the, क्या लेंगे, p be the probability of success, p be the probability of success. and Q be the of a failure in a single trial. In a single trial, so that P plus Q is equal to 1. Probability of success and failure is equal to 1. Failure and success, there P and Q are the same in each trial. Okay, let us find probability the probability of X success in n trials. Okay, we want X success in n trials, so where X can be any integer 0, 1, 2 up to n. One way is to assume that there are X success in first X trials and failure on the remaining n minus x trials. ओके, फेलियर सक्सेस के लिए x रहेगा और फेलियर के लिए n माइनस एक्स. सो वेरी इजी. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x सक्सेसेस विल बी p और फेलियर क्या रहेगा q. तो p के लिए x और q के लिए n माइनस x टाइम्स और ये n माइनस एक्स टाइम्स. सो दैट इज p रेस टू x और ये हो जाएगा q रेस टू n माइनस एक्स. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी फाउंड होगी. सिंस देर आर n c x, मतलब x आउटकम्स कितने हैं, n में से x आउटकम्स. सो आउटकम्स ईच having X successes and n minus x failure. Okay, X successes और n minus x failure. So we have the formula derive हो गया. Probability of X successes is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. X taking value 0, 1, 2 up to n. 0 otherwise. Okay, so write एन सी एक्स को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं n फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय x फैक्टोरियल n माइनस एक्स फैक्टोरियल p x q रेस टू n माइनस एक्स Okay, this is uh, number of outcomes with x successes and n minus x failure. Okay, and this is this probability of any sample point with x successes and n minus x failures. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन इज गिवन बाय n factorial divided by x factorial n minus x factorial p raised to x q raised to n minus x, or you can write ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x taking value 0 1 to up to n. Similarly here we can write x taking value 0 1 to up to n. Clear? ये फॉर्मूला प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इज ऑल्सो डिनोटेड बाय एक्स फॉलो बाइनोमियल. इसके पैरामीटर्स n कॉमा p. पैरामीटर क्या है? n नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स एंड p क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस. एक्स फॉलो बाइनोमियल n कॉमा p. ओके, वेरी इजी. अब इसका मीन और वेरिएंस फॉर्मूला है. इफ x फॉलो binomial comma p, write probability distribution. So probability distribution function is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x taking value 0 1 to up to n, 0 otherwise. So conditions for binomial distribution. First condition, there are a fixed number of Bernoulli trials, okay, and which are all independent, okay, all independent Bernoulli trials. Second condition, each trial results in an outcome which can be termed as either success or failure. So, and third condition, probability of success p plus q is equal to 1. Probability is always lies between 0 to 1. Okay, p plus q is equal to 1. Now, mean and variance of binomial distribution. Very easy. Binomial distribution, if x follow binomial n comma p, this is called parameter. So mean is equal to expected value of x, it is np, and variance is equal to, mean is also denoted by mu, variance vx, and it is denoted by sigma square x. फॉर्मूला क्या? npq. वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला है npq, एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ वेरिएंस ऑफ x अंडर रूट ऑफ npq. ठीक है, सो वेरी इजी. मीन इज np, वेरिएंस इज npq, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज npq. under square root of NPQ. Clear? In next class we will solve exercise.